Michael's got a pretty good trick he learned from one of the dive masters here in Eboe, and that's how to easily put on... Well, you explain, Michael. What are you doing?
So, how to easily put on a wetsuit with the feet and hands. So you get a small plastic bag, like that big, and you put it around the foot, your foot, and then you just... Kind of a weird angle. Then you just stick it through, and it just slides. Like, voila. It's crazy.
So how is that different from what you usually do?
So usually I didn't know that you can use plastic bags. So it took me like 10 minutes to get one leg on. Except now finally with the plastic bag I can just slip it on.
It's great. Time saver, it's easy to do. It makes putting on your wetsuit almost fun, huh?
Now you can do it by yourself.
And yeah, most importantly, you can do it by yourself.
Instead of having somebody else do it for you.
Jacking around
And
with it.
you can also do it with your hands. Like this. Yeah.
So Elizabeth, what are we doing today? Where are we going? What's going on for us today?
We are going to one of our dive sites that we went to yesterday. And there's lots of like little critters there. And we saw this nudie rock, the twin chromadoris.
Oh, the twin chromadoris?
And yeah, and we have snapping shrimps there, and yeah, it's a really cool place, and it's shallow, so you can stay there like forever. The head, not so much. Ready?
Trying to wake up from a dream. It's harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around. Some fall and hit the ground.
Locked and loaded.
Locked and loaded.
This is where I should belong. Inside a simple song. Running careless down the line. Beyond the brink of time. I will love you till I die. On shaky grounds. You could never understand. The way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in
as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile, I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart, every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms, pretend we'll stay here forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. Je call, I fall, there's a legacy between us. We grow, we go, but in the middle, time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said, an open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. This year I'm going to start a new chapter. Ignore the tears and only write down the laughter. An open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking.
That was a really good dive. We saw like so the best thing that we saw was an ornate ghost pipefish, the male variation, and they're, I think, only indigenous to here. I'm not sure. I haven't like researched them yet, but it was really cool, and we saw him in like a little corner of a rock. And then Dad and I, when we were swimming back to the dinghy, we saw a banded sea snake, which their venom is fatal, but they can only bite you like in between your fingers. So that, or like in the earlobe. So I don't think that's very likely to get bitten. And then we saw a big, huge like a huge seal that was like that thick. It was huge. And then we saw a cowfish and lots of other fish. It was really good.
And sea urchins.
Oh yeah, lots of sea urchins.
Great. It was great. Yeah, it was a good dive. Enjoyable. We were down for almost an hour. Long dive. But it was good.